Hey guys, Brandon from Another Prepared American, and today we're going to be going over my latest two-gun match. I shot it with my general purpose rifle, which I did a video on linked here, as well as the 43X with the Ramjet combo that I also did a video on linked here, and we're going to be showing them working together, burning it down at this recent match. It was a ton of fun. I did much better than I thought I would with the impromptu setup I had. All that being said, make sure you stick around so that way you can see some of the future projects we're working on at Another Prepared American and some very fun stuff, some neat stuff. Let's do it.
Ready, stand by.
Girls with their nails done.
Woo, God damn, that bitch is gassing. Fuck. 3860. Nobody behind me. Shooter, stand close fire. Shooter, are you ready? Ready. Stand by. Friend safe.
What's time?
6996.
Nice. 9.90.
Stand by. Two. Ready, stand by.
Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their
you're done. Fuck you, yeah. Burn holster.
Hold on. Can we appreciate how my mag landed?
Yeah.
Ring my mag.
You can't fake greatness. You can't fake greatness.
All right, guys, that was the last 2-gun at Peacemaker for this season. It was a great day. I had tons of fun. Had a really good time with my buddies. We got to test out some new fun stuff. Cue that. And yeah, overall, it was a really, really good time. I did pretty well, much better than I expected from an awkward concealed carry draw while wearing a chest rig. I didn't think it all the way through, but I really wanted to shoot the 43X, and I did, and it was great. It was a good time. Next year, I'm for sure going to be running that more. Probably going to be doing some like defensive pistol matches, as well as some USPSA stuff with it, because I'm just super, super pleased with how it's shooting so far. I'll be doing a video comparing it to my 17, because I might be selling my 17 at this point. The 43X just has me like blown away with the Afterburner combo on it. All that being said, make sure you guys are sticking around. We got some fun new projects coming up, some things that we've been working on, some things that I'm currently testing, like this. You know what? Of course, more educational content. Make sure you're following on Instagram. We recently started a new Fallout themed character survival series that I'm illustrating, so that's been super fun. I'm sure it'll be fun, even if you're not into that kind of stuff. It's neat. Anyways, yeah, make sure you're following on the YouTube, like, comment, subscribe, do all those things, hype it up. I think the hype helps. I don't know. We'll see. But in the meantime, stay hydrated, stay strapped, and stay blessed, guys. Thank you.